Welcome back to this guy's garage. Every time you start a project like this where you're doing some painting, you need a variety of sandpaper. You get stuck buying sandpaper like this and you end up paying nearly $2 a sheet for it. You get five per pack. Doesn't matter if you buy Norton or 3M, you're still paying $2 a sheet for it. This is the best way to buy sandpaper. The bulk roll is the best way to buy sandpaper, but you're spending 50 to 100 bucks. You got one roll, you got one grade of sandpaper. It usually leaves you stuck buying these. When I was looking for bulk sandpaper, I came across this variety pack. It works out to about 50 cents a sheet. You get 10 sheets of 80, you get 10 sheets of 150, you get 10 sheets of 220, 10 sheets of 320, 10 sheets of 400. Enough of each product to get through a complete job. For 29 bucks. Roughly 50 cents a sheet. That's only good if it's good. So we're going to try it out coming up.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.
So we got a few touch-ups to do on our House Mustang project. And let's have a look at our Dura-Gold Sandpaper. This is our 400 grit sandpaper. What I'm hopeful right off the bat is it's got a coating on it, so hopefully the abrasive won't fall off the sheet. That's usually a good sign. We have a few spots we got a feather edge out in this bumper, so let's give it a try, shall we? No good looking at it. Time to use it. Sticky, not too sticky. Let's see how it stands. Well, boys and girls, we got ourselves a winner here. Now, 400 is pretty close to where you're finishing. It's pretty close to paintable. For base clear, you need to work up to 600. But at 400, I would expect, between your layers, I would expect to see a ½ inch to an inch of transition, so you do not see the transition area when it's painted. And we have pretty much an inch there, right in between the layers. Another thing you want to have a look at here, there's no built up, there's no clog, very little, actually no clogging. If the rest of it works like this, I'll be a happy camper. I'm thoroughly impressed with this sandpaper for finish sanding, so let's try it on some cleanup work. Another good thing, it just came off the sander. My Norton and 3M always leave a little bit of paper behind, which makes the sandpaper unusable. I'm going to put this back in the box because I can still use this again, so I'm cheap with that. Now this sander and this sandpaper ain't designed to clean this kind of rust, but I just want to beat it up a little bit and give it a try. This isn't really what it's designed for, but it did a fine job. You'd normally take a 24 abrasive like this on your angle grinder, but that did wonders. So now I'm going to do a little testing on some spot putty on my board. So after beating that same piece of sandpaper up on the metal fender, let's see how it works. See how it works on this. We'll check it for clogging. If there's a material that's going to clog up, it's going to be this kind of spot putty. Now, I gotta say, in the clogging that's on this that you're seeing, this is a mixing board, so not everything mixes right to the bottom. I'm happy to report I'm pleasantly surprised from the performance of Dura-Gold. I will be rebuying it again. I didn't sacrifice any quality. I saved $1 to $1.50 a sheet. This will give you the variety you need and enough product to get the job done. We're always trying to save you some money on some cheap, effective tools and consumables. So if this helped you out, make sure you share it. So thanks again for stopping by this guy's garage. If this video helped you out some, you can help us right back by hitting that subscribe button. It'll be right there. You can watch another video right around here somewhere. Don't be cheap. Leave a like. We'll see you on the next video. This guy